Ever wondered about the extraordinary health benefits hidden in the humble clove of garlic? Well, it's time to unwrap the mystery. Garlic, a simple yet potent ingredient found in almost every kitchen, has been celebrated for centuries for its potential to enhance our well-being. Today, we delve into the wealth of advantages it offers. First on the list is heart health. Garlic is a friend to your heart. It may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, the next time you enjoy a garlic-infused dish, remember, it's not just tantalizing your taste buds, but also aiding your heart. Next up, let's talk about the antioxidant properties of garlic. This pungent herb is loaded with antioxidants that combat free radicals in the body, thus supporting your overall health. It's like having your very own internal cleaning crew. Moving on, garlic is a champion for your immune system. It's believed that this flavorful bulb can enhance your immune system, potentially reducing the severity and duration of colds and other illnesses. Think of it as a natural shield against those pesky germs. Garlic also boasts anti-inflammatory effects. These properties may contribute to the prevention of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. It's like a soothing balm, easing the fires of inflammation in your body. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, garlic also carries antibacterial and antiviral properties. Its natural antimicrobial properties may help your body fight off bacterial and viral infections. Consider it your body's personal superhero, battling against harmful invaders. Garlic may even play a role in cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of garlic may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly those of the digestive system. It's like having a secret weapon in your dietary arsenal. Improved circulation is another health benefit garlic offers. It may have a positive impact on blood circulation, promoting cardiovascular health. It's like your body's traffic controller, ensuring everything flows smoothly. Garlic might also be a boon for those managing blood sugar levels. There's some evidence that it may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes. Think of it as your body's natural thermostat for sugar. Last, but certainly not least, garlic may support your body's detoxification processes. It helps eliminate harmful substances, acting like a natural detox agent. It's important to remember, while garlic can be a healthy addition to your diet, its benefits are most effectively realized as part of a balanced and varied approach to nutrition and overall lifestyle. As with any dietary component, moderation is key. To sum up, garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse of potential health benefits, from heart health and antioxidant properties to immune system support and detoxification. So, the next time you peel a clove of garlic, remember, you're holding a tiny treasure of health benefits in your hands.